Course. So my name is Salvador Robles. I am a local resident here in San Jose, California. I went door to door volunteering for it was Dave Westerner and as well Robert Howell. It was Mike Boulay who first got me involved. I was actually involved with the Liberty Movement with the Libertarian Party, and I actually heard of these folks who actually are trying to fight for people's rights, which is something new for something in the area. So as far as it goes, it was definitely a positive experience seeing somebody who's actually looking for change, pushing for liberty and actually fighting for Republican values. And that's something that really got me excited to get involved. Right now, my biggest issue are taxes. Taxes are definitely hurting the middle class. I think that's definitely a big issue. That's why so many Californians are moving away. As well as zoning laws, I think something that I really like to get focused on in the local area are zoning laws and taxes. But as far as it goes, where I see California moving in the future is pushing for healthcare, pushing for new house development zoning laws, and it's really moving in a direction that we used to read in the books in 1984. And it's really at this point, we're at the point where we really need to start fighting back and reclaiming our rights as American citizens and listening to the previous ancestors who actually used to fight for against communism and all these socialist values that we know for sure never actually turned out correctly.